In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually track payroll expenses on QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through setting up the right accounts, recording payroll with a journal entry, recording your tax payments, and reconciling everything to your bank so your books stay clean and accurate. First, make sure your chart of accounts is ready. In QuickBooks Online, open the gear icon for settings, choose Chart of Accounts, then select New. Create expense accounts named Wages Expense, Payroll Tax Expense, and Employee Benefits Expense. These capture your gross pay, the employer portion of taxes like FICA, FUTA, and SUTA, and any employer-paid benefits. Next, create liability accounts named Payroll Liabilities, Federal Tax Payable, and State Tax Payable. These hold amounts you owe after each payroll, such as employees' withholdings and taxes due to agencies. When creating these, choose the appropriate account type. Typically, expense for expenses and other current liabilities for amounts you owe. Clear naming helps you read reports at a glance. Now record the payroll using a journal entry, which is the recommended method if you're not running payroll directly in QuickBooks. Click the plus new button and select journal entry. Use the paycheck date as the journal date so your reports align with your pay cycle. Enter lines like this: debit wages expense for total gross pay, debit payroll tax expense for the employer tax portion, credit payroll liabilities for the total employee taxes withheld, and credit your bank account for the net pay that actually left your account. Add a concise memo, such as payroll for the pay period, to make reconciliation easier later. Double check that total debits equal total credits, then save. This one entry records the full wage cost, the employer tax cost, the amount you owe in withholdings, and the cash out to employees. When you remit payroll taxes, clear the liability with another journal entry. Click plus new, choose journal entry, and date it on the payment date. Debit payroll liabilities for the tax amount you paid and credit your bank account for the same amount. If you pay federal and state separately, use separate entries so your federal tax payable and state tax payable balances tie out cleanly. Finally, reconcile with your bank feed. Go to Transactions, then Bank Transactions, and match the net payroll withdrawal and any tax payments to the journal entries you just created. Avoid adding new transactions for those items to prevent duplicates. Each month, go to Accounting, Reconcile, and complete your bank reconciliation so your statement ending balance agrees with QuickBooks. If a payroll liability balance remains, compare withholdings recorded versus payments